Hi everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to show you change your default browser on your Android phone. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, go to settings. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll down. Here you can find the apps or similar name. Simply tap to open the page. After that, at the very top, you can see choose default apps option. Simply click on it to open them. Here you can see all of the default apps supported listed there. Simply find the browser app option, tap on it. Right now your phone is default browser app setting. If you decide to change the browser app, don't worry, you can easily change it. This time you can find any other browser app here such as Chrome browser, Firefox, Opera or anything. If you simply tap on their name, then hit the back button and automatically change the default browser app on your Android phone. However, keep in mind, if you don't find the Chrome or Firefox or any other browser app there, don't worry, maybe your phone not be installed yet, so install it first. To do that, go back to your home screen, open Play Store, use search bar. Here simply search for browser and you can see all of the browser app listed there. Simply scroll through the page, find the exact browser if you want to install. For example, I am installed Google Chrome, so tap on it, then hit the install button. I have already installed it. After the installation is done, simply go back to the default app browser page, select the browser option and hit the back button and automatically set it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.